Hey guys, I just wanted to come in here quickly to kind of tell you guys about tonight, to remind you rather, about Posh Late Night Biz tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you have a backdrop that you want to be featured or you want added, just all you have to do is look in the description of this video, and the link to the appropriate video where you would post it is in the description. So again, I refreshed the post I told you guys I was going to refresh, where people were posting their backdrops, so we could get a new round of backdrops. Put your backdrop below that post, and if you don't see it, all you gotta do is look in the description of this live, click that link, and then post your backdrop under that photo. That post, and then I'll go and add it to tonight's round of backdrop critiques. Also, we do have a special promo for the next 5 enrollees into the Drape tour for March only. That's just under 2 weeks. So be live though, because you have to be there tonight. This is not something that you can catch the replay. By the time you catch the replay, it's gonna be gone. So you definitely want to be there tonight Eastern Standard Time live, so you can see it. So you can just be there and party with me. Bring your drink, bring your favorite drink, put on your favorite music. It's gonna be a party. 8 o'clock, from 8 to about 9:30 is how long I'm gonna be rolling. So that's it. I'll see you guys later on tonight. I see you guys jumping in, but I actually got to go. Why? Because I told you I was going to the fabric store. At least I'm trying to go to the fabric store so that I could get my featured fabric for these 2 backdrops I told you guys about yesterday. So I'm going to run up there, and then that way I can be back here in time enough to see you guys backdrops, do the critiques, and have an amazing time tonight for Posh Late Night Biz. Not to mention, put some topics below this video, because we are rolling out Posh Late Night Biz on a weekly basis. I don't want to do backdrop critiques every week. I'm not doing that every week. So give me some topics below this video, some things you would like me to cover, some things you would like to talk about, some things you possibly would like to see, because we will be doing discount and demo days still. Honestly, that's for the membership though, but still going to be doing demo and discount days. So I'll see you guys tonight. That's all I have. Have an amazing Wednesday.